Hello again. Please can you like and subscribe to my channel, Avid Retro. Thank you for watching my video today. This is going to be a short video. This is basically showing you my favourite Casio watch. This is an AW-61. I really like this watch. It's got a lovely kind of front to it. What is great is you don't need your glasses on just to look at the time, because obviously I can't read these if I haven't got my glasses on, but I can see this perfectly well. The other good thing is it's very bright, so when you do the screen and it goes green, it shows everything out perfectly, so that's really good. Now this would have been water resistant. It's not water resistant anymore because I've had to change the batteries on it a number of times, and as you can see, this is not actually working, so I do need to take it apart shortly to change the batteries. But the good thing about this watch is just the button placement, the fact that the top part is separate from the digital part. So on some Casios you had to kind of hold in buttons to kind of get the mechanism to move forward, but this is much nicer because this is a traditional kind of pull out and set the time affair. There's very basic settings to it. There's a stopwatch, alarm, I think that's about it actually. Yeah, so that's the alarm. You can have the alarm set like that. It's now set. You can turn that off. You can have the hourly chime as well. So, and you can have alarm and hourly chime. So I'll take both of those off. So I press that again, you got stopwatch. So press that, stopwatch. There's lap, and then stop, reset. So very, very straightforward. And really good strap on this one actually. This strap is, as far as I know, it's the original one, and it's the one that came with the watch, so it's lasted very, very well. It's like a canvas type strap, but no problem there. Now looking closer at the watch, it is starting to rub off on here, some of the kind of print. So it says Illuminator there, but you can see that this would have been all kind of silver, but now that's kind of rubbing away. So that's just where it sort of rubs on your sort of shirt or your jumper or your coat, and over time that's just kind of rubbing away. But apart from that, it's pretty tidy, and the screen is nice, not particularly badly scratched. There are some scratches on it, but not too bad. Very useful watch, so definitely one I want to keep hold of and use a bit more. So what I'm going to do is pop this off first. Just pull that up. So just got to be a little bit careful. It's useful to obviously keep this dust seal kind of rubber in place. So it looks a little bit kind of warped slightly, but that does kind of fit into here. So what I'll do, I'll be careful when I put that back in. But the main thing is now to tackle this mechanism. So what you'll see first is this battery here will be for the digital part. And we know that that's fine, so that can go back into place, but I will need to pop that out. That's that one, and just so you know, it's a 3-volt battery. It's a CR1616. So you can see underneath another battery, and it looks like there could be room for 2 batteries actually. Can you see that there as well? But only ever have 1 battery in here. I guess it's just the moulding they use. And there it is. So that's a standard kind of cell that you'll find in lots of packs of batteries, just to prove that. So keep these sort of blister packs, but you can't really keep them for too long because the batteries do kind of go eventually. Is it an LR66? Got a feeling it won't be, so that's going to go in here. Slightly. I don't want that one. So be careful with your batteries. Make sure certain people don't get hold of them, because they can be dangerous if they get swallowed. So not good for little kids. Alright, so let's drop them in like so. And before I put everything back, keep my finger over there. So you can see that there it's not working because I've obviously taken the bigger battery out. But I just want to make sure that works. So what I'm going to use is a little bit of sellotape across here slightly. So I had a couple of times in the past where the display would just move slightly. So that's definitely working. Looks like it's moved on a bit. And it looks like it's remembered the time even though I took the battery out. So maybe the date there is wrong. It says 15th. So that's... yeah, I wonder if that can just be bent in slightly. That should hold a little better. All right. It doesn't look like it lines up particularly, but what it is part of it connects with kind of like the buzzer on the back. So the bit that makes the alarm sound is kind of part in there, and then this bit kind of pushes against there. Okay, so I can put this in. So it's not really going to serve much of a purpose. So that's it. So time for the screws. There's only 4, and they're not playing ball, so. I'm going to just set this Friday, that's it, mode. As you can see, a really easy watch to manage. I'm going to put it on now. There you go. And a quick test of the light. It's a nice bright display there. Wow. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you appreciate some of these nice antiquated pieces, this old Casio. I'll put the year into the video so you can see how old it is, but it's still working well, which is good, and hopefully be good for a little bit longer too. Please like and subscribe. I'll do some more videos in the future. Bye for now.